Is your website taking so much time to load? Well, that's a major problem, as 40% of users leave your website due to poor site speed. Hi everyone, my name is Precious from the Manager, and today I'm going to show you how you can increase your WordPress site speed. Let's dive in. Now let's head on to tools.pingdom.com. Type the website URL. For the purpose of this video, I'm using the manager.ng and start the test. When the result is out, we'll see the initial value, and thereafter we'll come back to Pingdom to see the performance value that have been improved. So the result is out. The performance grade is this. Load time 1.67 seconds, page size 4.2 MB, and the request is 159. Now log into your WordPress admin section and head on to plugin tab. Hit add new button, then search, download, install, and activate the WP Rocket plugin. I've already gone through this process, so I'll navigate to the setting tab and start working with WP Rocket. Take note of the following tab: the cache, file optimization, media, preload, CDN, and adbit. Now let's go over to the dashboard and the cache. Make sure that what you see on my screen is enabled on your own screen. Click on save. On file optimization, click on minify CSS, activate it. Click on combine CSS, activate. Optimize CSS delivery, you activate, and load CSS asynchronously. JavaScript, minify, activate. Combine JavaScript file, you activate. Load JavaScript default, activate, and save changes. When you're done, move over to the next tab, which is the media. Enable for images, enable for iframe, replace your YouTube iframe, add missing image, then click on save. Follow the same process on the next tab. Now the preload. Activate preloading, enable link preloading, click on save changes. Then head over to the next tab, CDN tab, enable convert delivery network, save changes. Move over to the add bit tab, control add bits, save changes. When you're done, go over to the rockets. When you're done, you head over to Pingdom to see the process. Remember the previous metrics. Now let's start it over. And boom, our results have been improved. You can also run the speed test using other sites like GTmetrix or Google Page Speed Insights. Give this a try on websites and give us feedback on how it went in the comment section below. Also, if you have further questions to ask, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.